Yeah, now this is the last question about Raid. Raid wanted to know about his financial position, that how the financial position will be that. As I see his chart, Raid is passing through a bad financial position because, if I see his chart, his Saturn is in the 12th house and the Saturn is transiting over his house of expenses. So if the Saturn, which is not considered to be good planet, and this is transiting over the 12th house, that is house of expenses, so naturally it's going to give lot of lot of waste expenses which of no use, and lot of work he has to do. It means he has to put lot of labor, but he is not getting the result, and more rather he is spending a lot. So he is finding it difficult. But don't worry, Saturn is going to move in September first week, and so I think you have to bear till September. But after that things will improve as Saturn will move to the your Lagna, and this will be quite favorable. And don't worry, then you will find it, you will be quite be in peace, and your expenses will be reduced to a great extent, and you will find that your financial position is improving a bit. And moreover, for further to reduce the to mitigate the evils, I will suggest again the Saturn Yantra. You can see a lot of yantras, and they are on your website also. A lot of yantras are being displayed, so you can order for Saturn Yantra. Saturn Yantra, if you worship that, and then then it will be quite good. And then you donate some oil, on Saturday. Just take some mustard oil in a vessel, look into that vessel, and put some coin and give it to some needy person or in a place of worship, and then recite one mantra, Om Shank Shanishcharai Namah. I'll repeat, Om Shank Shanishcharai Namah. This is quite good in our Vedic Shastra for relieving the miseries of Saturn and for pacifying Saturn. So I wish you good luck, and you should follow some of these remedies, and I know these are going to help you. Thank you. See, in Vedic astrology, I was discussing all your questions. As per the Vedic astrology, in our Vedic astrology, we concentrate on the traits of the planet, features of the planet, and characteristics of the planet. How do they play a role in your life? If your good planets are there in your horoscope, definitely you are going to get the benefits of those good planets. And if malefic planets are there, then you have to worship them, and to get you have to worship them to mitigate the effect of that its maleficness. So you should, whenever there is some bad planet or malefic planet which is influencing your life, or you are going through a rough phase, so you should worship that, you should worship that planet to mitigate its effect. And I will suggest that this can be done in 2-3 ways according to the Vedic Shastra. You can, there are so many yantras we are giving you. These yantras are based on our Vedic astrology. The planets which is troubling you, you can worship that planet in the form of a yantra, because all our yantras are gold plated, and they are made as per the Shastras and very correct. So the correctness of the yantra is very necessary. Because of the yantra is correct and made nicely, we think that this is the abode of the god or the goddesses whom we are worshipping. So if you worship that way, that the god is or goddesses is pleased, and you get the blessing of that one. So you should keep it as per according to the method which we suggest you. And if you can recite 1 or 2 yantra, because I know recitation of mantra is quite difficult for you because you may not know, but if you can try, that will help you a lot. Or you can just keep the yantra and worship the way you like. Just you have to wipe it, and you have to clean it, put some incense, and just pray or meditate before that. Because if you meditate in whatever way you like, that meditation will also help you and will bring you a lot of peace of mind. And then this Rudraksha in our Vedic astrology, Rudraksha also plays very major role, because Rudraksha is considered to be very sacred, and very sacred way of bringing peace, prosperity, and calmness in our life. If we are disturbed, or if our marriage life is disturbed, or we are getting some financial problems in our life, if we have health problem, any type of problem, we get a lot of peace and sanctity and prosperity in our life if we follow these good and which are considered good in our shastras, all those items. Then we have this software. If you as Mai is doing this, we have this Palm, Leo Palm. It is a very small this thing, and this gives you the complete astrological chart. And if you just feed the date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, I have done all the horoscopes by this. Just you have to feed that, and it will give you all details about astrology, like what is the chart and what are the dashas, what are the antardashas, sub period, and then it gives about your marriage, about your numerology, your name is good for you or not, should you change your name to get the stability and to get your good health, and then how many points you are getting in the marriage compatibility. And then if you want to know questions by horary, that also it gives, because everything is included in this small palm, because this is a very good for learners and those who want to know, because it gives you matching, Varshful, horary, Lal Kitab, KP system, numerology, Panchang. So you can do everything by this small, and then you can use it as a phone and camera also. So this also is a good job of ours. Then we have our software on astrology, which you can put on the website also. You can visit our website, which www.futurepointindia.com, and see everything in detail. And then we have courses, everything on so anything in astrology, our articles, our courses, our consultancy, whatever way you want to contact us, you are most welcome, and I am always there to help you. Thank you. Wish you all the best and a good luck.